Says Wiz Tots.
Come and play, laugh and learn in a fun new way.
Ibises are long-legged birds with long, curved beaks that help them find food in water and mud. They live in wetlands, marshes, and near lakes or rivers all over the world. Ibises use their beaks to search for insects, small fish, and snails in the water. Their long toes help them walk easily in soft, muddy ground without sinking. Some ibises are white, while others have bright red or black feathers. They often live in large flocks and fly together in a V shape in the sky. Ibises build their nests in trees or reeds, close to the water. Baby ibises are called chicks, and both parents take care of them. The sacred ibis was important in ancient Egypt, where it was a symbol of wisdom. With their graceful looks and clever beaks, ibises are truly fascinating birds.